Right now, your brain is being hijacked. Every ping, every like, every scroll, it's not you choosing, it's dopamine. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you the exact 7-step detox used by neuroscientists to reclaim focus, crush procrastination, and feel calm again. Let's begin. Step 1. Track your triggers. You can't fix what you don't measure. For 48 hours, log every time you reach for your phone, open YouTube, or check Instagram. Write down the time, the app, your mood before, and your mood after. A 2023 Stanford study found that trigger awareness alone cuts compulsive use by 23% in 1 week. Your brain starts seeing the pattern, and the spell breaks. Step 2. The digital sunset ritual. Create a hard stop, 2 hours before bed, no screens. Replace that time with a paper book, a walk, or a 5-minute stretch. Blue light suppresses melatonin by up to 71%. According to Harvard research from 2022, your brain learns that evening means wind down, not scroll down. Step 3. Replace. Don't remove. Cold turkey fails because dopamine hates a vacuum. For every deleted habit, add a micro-reward. Craving TikTok? Do 10 push-ups. Want to check DMS? Drink water and take a deep breath. Neuroplasticity shows new pathways form in 21 days when you consistently pair a trigger with a better action. Step 4. Nature reset with the 20-minute rule. Go outside. 20 minutes in green space drops cortisol by 21%, based on Japanese Shinrin-yoku studies. No phone. Just walk, your brain's default mode network reboots, and creativity and focus spike. Pro tip. Leave your phone at home, or keep it on airplane mode. Step 5. Journal the void. On night 1 of detox, you'll feel empty. That's the point. Open a notebook and write, what am I actually avoiding? 90% of overscrolling is emotional avoidance, as explained by Dr. Anna Lemke in Dopamine Nation. Naming the feeling cuts its power in half. Step 6. Reward redesign. Hack the system. Your brain wants novelty, so give it on your terms. Create a focus menu. 25 minutes of deep work earns 5 minutes of guitar. Finish a report. Read 1 chapter of a novel. This is operant conditioning. You're the scientist now, not Instagram. Step 7. The weekly audit. Measure to manage. Every Sunday, rate your focus, mood, and energy from 1 to 10, plotted on a simple chart. A 2020 for Nature meta-analysis showed self-trackers maintain habit change 3 times longer. Seeing the upward trend gives you healthy dopamine. Common pitfall number 1. To one last scroll lie. You think, I'll just check one thing. Truth is, decision fatigue peaks at night. Fix it with a physical barrier. Charge your phone in another room, out of sight, out of mind. Common pitfall number 2. To guilt spiral. You slip, you binge, you hate yourself. Stop. One bad night doesn't erase 6 good ones. Use the 3R rule. Recognize the slip. Reset with 10 deep breaths. Return to step 1. That's CBT in action. Common pitfall number 3. Fake productivity. Podcasts while working, audiobooks while cooking. That's attention residue. A Yale study says task switching drops IQ by 10 points. Detox means monotasking. One thing, full presence, real wins. Here's your 30-day dopamine detox challenge. Week 1. Track and sunset. Week 2. Add replacements. Week 3. Nature and journal. Week 4. Reward and audit. By day 30, 87% of detoxers report sustained focus gains. Comment detox below. Your brain isn't broken, it's just on the wrong setting. These 7 steps flip the switch. Start tonight with 1 trigger lock, hit subscribe. Next video, why social media is rewiring your brain. You've got this.